table. Some say with warnings from Congress and consumer groups, the agency that's supposed to protect. Warnings from Congress and consumer groups, the agency that's supposed to protect your food supply, may soon clear the way for meat and milk from cloned animals to make it to your table, some say without testing it enough.
The steak you order at a restaurant held together by glue. Some news reporter Amanda Cost investigating how it's done and exposing the potential health risk. Amanda?
Well, can you tell the difference between these two center-cut fillets? One is legit, and the other was pieced together using meat glue.
We have made it out to the gamut and have produced a new generation of cattle in this project that are not clones themselves, but both of their parents are cloned.
I'm going to hot it. I put it directly over the plate. Seriously, this is the thing. You see, it is running. You see, it is running.
The world's first lab-grown burger has been cooked and eaten at a news conference in London. Scientists took cells from a cow and turned them into strips of muscle, which were then combined and made into a patty.
The current meat production is at its maximum.
A small sample of cells from a cow, a pig, or a chicken adds nutrients and then cultivates the
People, by the way, this is going from long time Jamaican News Network. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
cells into meat.
We could actually grow a fillet in 2 weeks or 3 weeks instead of growing the whole animal that might take 6 months or a year.
Both of them are eggs, right? Or are they really eggs? Now, watch what will happen. This one is real egg. This one is a real egg. Just watch.
Shocking research examining nearly 10,000 Americans reveals exactly how much of our diet is made up of so-called fake food. Nearly 60% of our daily calories come from ultra-processed foods.
My number 2 cancer cause is the American diet. Most of America is eating very few nutrients. Our food is loaded with chemicals, sugar, unhealthy fats, high fructose corn syrup.
A Senate source tells CNN the Food and Drug Administration is just days away from declaring meat and milk from cloned animals safe. The FDA wouldn't comment on that on or off camera with us, but did say it is finalizing its own risk assessment.
It's a way to cut costs, but we're asking, at what risk? It's white, powdery, and holding one of these two steaks together. Transgluminase, also known as Activa or meat glue.
It always amazed me that you can take a cell and that everything in every one of those cells in the body has everything to reprogram and become an organism again. And you look at him and he was a piece of meat.
Over there. Nothing.
queen meat, you don't need to worry so much about that because you're not growing intestines at all. You instead are growing just the muscle that we actually want. Right now, we have the capacity to take a sesame seed-sized biopsy from an animal.
Well, I think most people just don't realize that the current meat production is at its maximum, and it's not going to supply sufficient meat for the growing demand in the coming 40 years. So we need to come up with an alternative, there's no question.
You're eating cloned fruit, right? And just looking at it, you can just kind of tell, you know, the conjoined strawberries, of course, this is nothing new to most of you. Many of you seen this before. And they've been cloning for a while, guys.
Towards cafeterias and expects to ship shrimp to supermarkets as early as this year. Memphis Meats hopes to bring its meat to market in about 5.
You notice that the yolk stays in one place. You notice the color of the yolk too. Now, this is the second egg that we are suspecting to be fake.
And of that, 20% is sugar. The study also shows Americans get less than 1% of their calories from vegetables. Ultra-processed foods contain about 5 times more added sugar than non-processed regular foods.
This is the stuff we're choosing on a daily basis to put in our bodies. It's no wonder we're so freaking sick. One thing we can do to help combat this cancer epidemic is to eliminate all the processed foods in your diet.
Nothing. I'm so green.
I can't believe it. Can you say it's done? What we are eating? You see it?
Oh no way. This is sweet. Oh my god.
See what we are eating?
Now look at what is happening. We can find that without even touching it, it's spreading into the white. It is becoming one with the white.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. More videos to come sooner than later, yeah? Stay tuned.
Do you want to be in love? What do you want?